Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll guide you through how to download free songs or music using Google Chrome on your phone. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe and like this video. It really supports the channel. You can follow these simple steps on both Android and iPhone devices. Let's get started right away. First, open the Google Chrome app on your device. Then, we'll navigate to a fantastic website called Pixabay. There are other sites you can use, but I personally prefer Pixabay because all the music there is completely royalty-free. This means you can use their extensive collection of over 5.8 million high-quality stock assets without any copyright issues for your projects. In the Chrome search bar, type pixabay.com and hit enter. Once you're on the homepage, scroll down and tap on the music section. Here, you can browse through tons of free songs, including curated playlists like Zen Meditation or Dance Party. You can preview each track by pressing the play/pause button on the left. If you like a track and want to download it, simply tap the download button on the right. Chrome will start downloading your file, and you'll see a small message saying downloading file. Once it's finished, tap open, and the file will appear in your downloads folder. You can play it directly in Google Chrome or exit Chrome and open it from your Files app. Just go to Downloads, and your song will be right there at the top. Tap to open and enjoy your new music. It's that simple to get high-quality, copyright-free audio. That's it. Now you know how to download free, copyright-free songs safely using Google Chrome. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials every week.